What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, yes please, any and everything down below. Now then, alright. What do I like most about boxes? As most boxes contain PEZ, of course. Oh, look at this stuff. What do we have here? All right, so this box is from PEZ, the candy company. Here is the tumbler that they are offering. Very cool. And there's another tumbler there. And what else do we... Oh, and another tumbler there. Yeah. Oh, these cool PEZ bags. These are very cool shopping bags. Love it! And the PEZ guy faces on it and everything. Uh-oh. And then, oh, we have another. Oh, we gotta get the lid for it too. Oh, and they come with straws. Oh, reusable straws. That's pretty cool. What else do we have in here? Oh, yeah, this is what I was looking for. PEZ has a new candy pack for assorted fruit. The PEZ guy was like, hey, we need to put some fruit on there. We need to change the design. Love it. Look at that spiral. Awesome. And I got all kinds to share. Yay! Can't wait to give these away. Cool items from PEZ.com. Check them out. So until next time.